Hello, do you have forgotten clutter? Or sometimes call it hidden clutter. Forgotten clutter. It's when you start decluttering and you discover that you have things you haven't thought about in years that you've stored in your home. Now, if you haven't thought about it in years, you obviously haven't needed it in years, and you haven't wanted it in years. Therefore, it is no longer something that needs a home in your home. It needs to be given away. Or if it's past its purpose, thrown away. If it's just sentimental junk, throw it away, because that's what happens when it sits around too long. Most of the time, it just becomes not worth it. So today I'm going to challenge you, as I have been, to get rid of 5 things. Today I want you to get rid of 5 pieces of forgotten clutter. So this week, when you're watching this, if you're watching this the same week I make it, we're in zone 3. That means the other room. So should be super easy to find 5 things in the other room to get rid of. Make it a great day.